needed. After you break the potatoes and the onion, would you check out the rice for me?
I would, but I'm gonna cut my toenails first, remember?
You can. If you don't do the rice, it's last, okay?
Okay.
Who's asking if you
What
have
sound
time?
does a horse make? What about a cow? And a sheep? Sheep? What about a cat? What about a dog?
Live.
What about an owl? Owl?